What's up guys? So I'm currently in Vancouver and I'm going to take you guys around today to some of my favorite local shops to shop for this year's holiday gifts for my friends and family. And obviously the holidays are an amazing time of year, but they can be a little bit stressful. So that's why I have teamed up with Interac for this video to show you guys a way that you can make the holidays less stressful by spending money that you already have using Interac debit. I will also link more gift guides for you to check out in the description below, and let's get shopping. These lemon earrings, that's an artist from Toronto. Yeah, these facade earrings are amazing. Voicemails candles over there are awesome. They have some really unique scents. So the first store that I hit up was one of my favorite local shops in Vancouver called Hey Jude, which is located right in Gastown. I was looking for a gift for one of my sisters, and the girl working was really helpful and had a lot of really great suggestions, from funky jewelry pieces to vintage clothing to these delicious smelling candles. And I ended up deciding on one of the candles that she had suggested because it smelled so good, and I know my sister loves that kind of stuff. When it came to paying, for me, when purchases are less than $100, I often use Interac Flash to pay because it is so easy, and paying with Interac debit has a lower transaction cost for small businesses, which in turn helps support them. Next up, I went into a store called Old Faithful Shop, and this place has a ton of amazing home goods, from coffee table books to trendy kitchen supplies to these beautiful potted plants. This time I was looking for a gift for my mom, and these plants really caught my eye, and I loved how you could customize the gift by picking out both the pottery and the plant. Next up on my list was my dad, and knowing his love for chocolate, I knew Rogers Chocolates, located on Granville Island, was the perfect place to shop. What I love about this local shop is that they have so many different types of treats, and they come with beautiful packaging, so it's perfect for gifting because it does feel a little bit fancier. Moving on to my little sister, she has always loved beautiful rocks, and it was hard deciding which one to get, but I do know that she likes Amethyst, so I thought this was a good place to start.
And if you're liking that idea, I can pull out a bunch more too.
Okay, yeah, no, I know she likes Amethyst. So I think I found the perfect gift. My little sister loves rocks like this, and I think she's really gonna like it. Thank you. And last but certainly not least, I wanted to pick up some gifts for some of my friends. So I headed to Mount Pleasant area to a store called Bird on a Wire Creations. Now this store has an excellent selection of candles, and what's cool about it is a lot of the candles are actually from Vancouver companies. They also have a bunch of home goods and jewelry and basically everything in between. I came across this really delicious smelling loose leaf tea, and I have a bunch of friends that really love tea, so I thought this was a really good gift for them. And that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed following me around Vancouver. Leave a comment down below letting me know the local shops that you love in your area. And a huge thank you to Interac for sponsoring this video. You guys can also check out the playlist down below and find out about the other local gift guides around Canada. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.